In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive, remove here in Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon down at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines up in the top right corner to go into your menu. Now, if you scroll down on here, you're going to see a how to use Instagram section. Go ahead and select archive from that section and find the post that you want to bring back to your profile. Essentially, just go ahead and tap on it. I'm on my story archive right now, but if you want to switch to post, you just got to hit post. And then from here, just select the post, hit these three little dots, and then hit show on profile, just like so. You could do the same thing with stories if you want to do those as well as your live archive if you do have any live saved. I don't think I actually do. Yeah, it doesn't look like I do. But that's actually the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.